For question number 47, we're converting 9 pints to milliliters. So if we look at the conversion chart, we can't find a direct conversion from pints to mLs, but we can find a conversion from pints to liters. So if I convert the pints to liters, and then whatever answer I get, then just move the decimal place, I should be able to figure out what it is in milliliters. So 9 pints over 1 times 0.47 liters over 1 pint. So the pints match up and cancel out. 9 times 0.47 divided by 1, we get 4.23 liters. And then to convert from liters to milliliters, we just need to move the decimal place 3 places. So that will be 4,230 mLs. Question 48, I'm converting 80 liters to fluid ounces. So if we look at the conversions, there is not a direct conversion from liters to fluid ounces. But we do have a conversion from fluid ounces to milliliters. So if we convert the 80 liters to mLs first, and then multiply by the conversion factor, then we should be able to get the answer. So to get from liters to mLs, that is 3 places to the right. So that will be 80,000 mLs. And I'm multiplying that by 1 fluid ounce over 30 mLs. So the mLs will cancel out. 80,000 times 1 divided by 30. And rounding to 2 decimal places, we get 2,666.67 fluid ounces.